Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to open TCP port in Windows 10. Go to taskbar search. Type Windows Firewall. Click on Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security to open it. Choose Inbound Rules from the left side menu. Click on New Rule on the right of the window. Check Port and click on Next. Check TCP. Check Specific Local Ports and type 8080. Click on Next. Click on Next 2 more times. Enter 8080 as a name. Click on Finish. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!